So we can do for the in Loadrunner means we need for the Loadrunner software. Okay, once you can go to the Loadrunner software, you can install the Loadrunner software. You will get for the Fusion virtual user generator and the controller and assume to the analyzer. So we are doing for the web tour application means we need for the web tour software. So I will show that one. See, this is the web tour software. So you need to once you can so already I shared, right, who are already have, right, so I already shared. You can unzip that one. Once you can unzip, right, you can look this like this, and after that you need to install for the Strawberry. You can double click it and you need to install for the Strawberry. So once you can double click it and it will ask for the installation, just next. So it will complete it. After that you need to do for the web tour script, right? So for example, this is the start server will be there, means this web tour script will be developed for the only Loadrunner. Okay, in HP Loadrunner and Micro Focus already this developed web tour application, because of we need to do for the testing point of view, we need to learn for the some concept point of view. The HP Loadrunner they only developed for the web tour application. So you need to for the web tour application you need to open means without on the server. Already I think we have the server will be there. See, this is our server. I am closing. Okay, and after that you need to open for our URL. Okay, what is our URL? Web tour, right? So I'm opening for the URL. You can observe. See, you will get for the error because you are not open this server. So only for in web tour point of only without server you are on, right, you are unable to open this one, and if you record also it will unable to record the script because without server you can't do for the script recording. So that is why you want for the web tour, right? So you need to must will be you need to open for the this server. Okay, start server will be there. You can open this one. See, once you can open this one, it will look this. Just you can minimize, and after that now we can click on this. See, now you are able to open that anything proxy settings we set up. So see, it is game. So without server, you can't do for the web tour application. That is why you guys can install for the once open for the web tour, and you can go to the Strawberry payroll and you need to install it. Once installation completed, you need to open. After installation complete the Strawberry only, you need to click on for the start server. Then only it will be your application will be invoked, and after that you need to check for the okay. Once we open this server, you need to check for the okay application is working fine or not. You need to check. So you are able to launch, and after that login also you are doing. Then your web tour application is working fine. Then you can start your recording. Okay, these are the prerequisites. And assume to one more thing, each and everyone can in your system must be need for the Windows 10. Windows 11 or Windows 7 it will be not work. Windows 10 will be, it is good for our Loadrunner point of view. And the system configurations 4 GB is enough for our point of view. And so these are the prerequisites. So you need to install the Loadrunner means, so just we have the Loadrunner software already we have, right? Already I shared some guys, and if anyone not shared, you can share in mail IDs. I will share this document too for everyone. See, this is the Loadrunner certificate common. This one, this is for the Loadrunner one. Once we can open this one, and you can double click it and click on next. It automatically your installation is completed. Once installation completed, you can able to see for the virtual user generator and controller and analyzer. So like this it will be show for the in desktop virtual user generator. So everyone understand how to we can install the software, or anyone any doubt? Everyone is fine? Or anyone have anyone not installed, you can share your screen and we can install and we can show to everyone, because already I installed, right? That is why unable to showing for the recording total how to installation process. So if anyone not done, because this is also important, maybe you went for the office, right? Then what will happen is you need to install software. So then they will give for the software, you need to install yourself. So this installation part also very important point of the our testing point of view, because you are as going as an experience, right? So they will give for the software means you need to install software. Okay. Sushmita, you I think Sushmita was said, right? Okay. So going to go to the jump to our class now. This is not ours. So again, I'm not recording again and again. Already we have the previous script will be there, right? So no need to do every day. So already yesterday's script will be right. You can go and select that one. What is the yesterday script? We have to flight booking 10:05. I think this one only, right? Okay. I'm opening this one. So yesterday we done for the parameterization, right? So what are the values we need to do for the parameterization? What are the
Username,
values we are entering?
password,
Yeah. What are the values we are
keyboard.
entering through keyboard? We need to do for the those values. Already we know the script and the username password we need to do. And after that, we can go to here and departure and arrive we need to do for the parameterization.
Yes.
Yes or
Yes.
not?
Oh, no, sir. We're just selecting.
Yes, we are selecting, right? So no need to do for the parameterization. And departure date and arrival date will be there. These values we are entering, right? So we need to do for the parameterization. And apart from this, we need to go to the payment page. We need to do for this all. First name, last name, address one, address two, passenger one, credit card, and expiry date. And this all also we need to do for the parameterization. Going to now, yesterday we discussed, right, already in date and time parameterization. So for example, I want for the future date and past date. So I needed to book the future date and past date, right? So maybe we can do for the parameterization. I'm doing for the parameterization. How do we can do? Click on that and replace with parameter. Create new parameter, and we need to give for the name of the parameter name. What is the parameter name? Departure date. Depart date. So after that, we need to select which property type.
Date and time.
Parameter type. Date and time.
Date and
So
time.
you can let go up. It will be there for the. These all will be parameter types. What are the parameter types? If anyone asks me, XML, user ID, user defined, and unique number, table, random number, load generator name, iteration number, group name, file and date and time, custom. But these all will be parameter types. So you guys know for the any 5 or 4 or 3 means it is fine. If it anyone asks means we are maximum we can use for the date and time and file only. So now this is the whichever type date and time. So I selected date and time and select for the properties. And after that, what we need to do? We need select for the our format. Already it will be there, right? 05 and 12 2022. Already it is selected our format. So now what we can do means just we can do it and close it and click on OK and always no. And this is the departure is completed. After that, we need to do for the return date also. You can click on right button and replace with parameter and create new parameter. And we need to give for the parameter name is a return date. Return date for. So after that, we need to select for the date and time. And after that, click on properties. And this is the format same, right? You can click on this and close it and click on OK and always no. Now we can execute the script. So before executing the script, you guys can, here will be runtime settings will be there. You can click on that. You are executing means you need to go to the logs. Here will be logs will be there. In the logs, you need to check for the extend logs. We need to check for the extend logs. In the extend logs, we need to check the parameter substitution. So you are doing for the so you are running the script means you need to give for this. You go to the logs and select for the extend logs in that parameter substitution. And after that, save it. And now we can execute. See replay. I'm clicking for the replay. You guys can see now application is launching. You are able to see for the runtime viewer also. See, our script execution will be completed. Now we need to observe for the which date is picked means everything we can see for the in the replay log. This is the replay. You need to see for the output means you need to go to here. Maybe you get any error also, you can go and replay and you need to see for this. See, you can observe we are done for the departure date. Param, what is the date? 5 this peak. But this will be current date, right? So means you can do for the parameterization means what will happen? It is the current date is picking. But I want for the future date or I want for the past date means what we need to do means you need to go to the parameter properties. Here parameters there. You can click on that and you can go to here and we have the parameter type. We have the offset will be there. You can click on offset and you need to give for the these are the dates. This will be time. So I'm giving for the date is a 1 and we need to observe thing return date I given 1 and after that departure date I'm giving for the 2. I given which I say actually I checked for the offset parameter. So if you give offset, what will happen? You can observe. See, you can save it, and again we can replay script. See now you can go to the results. So every time we need to check here only. In here only you need to check. You can go to this and where is our departure and departure date. We need to check this one. See, you can observe which date is came. You can observe departure date, what date came, return date, what date came. Future date or past date?
14.
Past or future? It's future date, right?
Departure is a future date.
Yes, future means the next tomorrow is the future, right? Yes, previous date means that will be past date, right? So you are go to the in parameters and you are given as a offset 2 days. That is why what will happen? It is increased by 2. Already is date will be today's 12 and 2 days means departure date will be what date it will come? 14. So you can observe here which date is came? 14. Departure date 14. And you can go to that return date. Return date I given for only 1. 1 day I increase it means which date it will come? Today is the 12. 1 means 13. Okay. And I will give for the this time 3 and this is also 3. And you guys can which date it will come? We are you want for the future date means you need to enable the check the this offset and after that you need to give for the how many days you want for the future you need to give that one. So now I'm given for the 3, then which date it will come?
16.
So today is the 12, right? 3 means what date it will come? 15 or 13 or 14? 15, right?
15.
So 15 date will come. So you can observe 15 date will come or not, we need to check. So you can execute. See, once it is completed, you can observe in the output window. See what date it will come. Yes, 15, right? See, 15 it is came. 15 means which it will be including for the working days. 14, 15 also it is came for the including working days. But I don't want for the holidays. So I want for the only working days only. So you need to click for the working days. Then which date it will come? For example, see, you can observe this is the today date. I am giving for the 3 days. Means what will happen? 13, and after 14, 15 it is came, because this will be not is the working days. It will be picking for the all days, because I am not checked for the working days. Maybe if I check for the working days, so what will happen? So you can go to here and 12, 13, and after 14, 15 is a holiday, and after that 16, 17 and 18 are which date it will come? 16 it will come, because we are given for the 3 future date. So now you can observe. So every time you are executing this, you need to save it and you can replay the script. So now we can observe for here. See which date is came. Departure date 17 is came. How many days I given? Hello. You guys are able to understanding or not?
3 days.
Yes, right?
3 days.
Yes.
Okay, then good. So maybe I want for the not future date. I want go with the past date. So if you check for the offset, it will going for the future date. But I want to now go to the past date. So you need to click for the period to current date. Means what is the today date? This is a 12 and it is going to the back. So you can observe, and I click for the period current date and click on close, and you can save it and you can run.
Done. Done.
So now again you can observe. So you can observe depositor date, which date is came?
9.
9.
Nine.
Why? We are given as a period date, because already current date will be 12. We are given for the 3 days period, means it will come to the past date 11, 10 and 9. And as same to, we are given only for not working days only. We are given for all days. So based on these parameters, you need to do for the these things. Okay, you guys understand what is the parameter? Date and time parameterization means this will be important. Maybe if anyone asks for the, I want for the future date. So what we need to do? You need to give for the offset. How many days you want? You need to give for the offset. And otherwise you want only working days, then you need to check for the working days. Otherwise you want to go with the past date, you need to check for the period to current date. How many days you want to go to the past date, you need to click the period to current date. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I think most of the people is not installed in software. So, and I'm not expecting answers, and no one is doing for the assignments also. Tomorrow onwards, everyone can do for the script. You can record the script, and after that you guys can do for the all the values. What are the values will be there in script? All values you need to do for the parameterization. I'm expecting for everyone, and as same to the interview point also, I will ask for all things. So I want to capture the first date, means how we need to do. I want for the future days what I can get. If I give for the working days only, what will come? So I will ask for the this all interview questions tomorrow also. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So
Okay.
anyone have any doubts? So why I'm closing early means you guys are no uninstalled software, right? maybe we'll continue means no one practice means that is useless. If a class will be myself, I will continue for every day. I will do for the 1 hour and I will finish, but that is not good, right? So that is why I'm expecting from tomorrow everyone will be do for the assignment and the interview point of also. Okay. Anyone have any doubts regarding
Okay.
today class or any doubts? Anything also? No problem.
No. Can you please share the link on me?
Sorry.
Notes. I don't have notes link on me.
Sorry.
I don't have notes on ya. Notes.
Notes.
Which
Already I
one you
shared in
gave?
group, right? Material.
In
Everyone
that
got or
time,
not? You got,
I
Raji?
didn't. No, Anya.
Okay, I
That's
will
why
share
I'm
in
asking.
group again. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow, and I'm expecting for everyone give for the answers and do for the assignments properly.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining, everyone.
Thank you.